Brownie appear magic.
I love those moves.
Hey guys, I'm Conor Clinkscale with America's Test Kitchen Kids, and today I'll be showing you how to make the aluminum foil sling, and I'll be showing you how to make some delicious chewy brownies too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. It really helps out the channel. And without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so for the aluminum foil sling, first you'll need a pan. I'm using a square pan, 8-inch. You need some foil, and you need some cooking spray. So first, you're gonna get some foil that's kind of longer than the pan, and we're gonna cut that off. We're gonna take our big piece of aluminum foil, we're gonna line it up with the pan, and we're gonna take it and we're gonna fold it so that's the width of the pan. Now, I flipped it over so that brownies don't get stuck. I'm gonna smooth it out. And I'm gonna get my second piece of foil that is longer than the pan. And I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna fold it. So that it's on the opposite edge of the pan. Here we have our aluminum foil sling. And just as a final step, we're gonna spray some some vegetable oil spray so that, once again, the brownies don't stick to it. All right, so that's how we make our aluminum foil sling. Now that we have our aluminum foil sling here, let me show you why we actually made it. We made it so that when you fold the four corners out, once you're done, you can just take the baked goods out, put them right here, and your pan is completely unscathed. So now that we have our brownie batter here, by the way, the whole recipe is up there, or up there, I have no clue which one. Let's pour the batter in because I'm super hungry and I need to eat these brownies. Now, before you put it in the oven, you might want to smooth the batter out. Smooth, I said. Now we have some nice smooth batter. I'm gonna put it in the oven for 25 whole minutes. I'm really hungry, so I'm gonna use a little trick I've been working on to get my brownies now. Brownie Magic, appear. Wow, that actually worked. Okay. Let's see if my magic summoned brownies taste really good or not. It's really chewy. There's a lot of chocolate. That's really good. Thank you for watching on how to make the aluminum foil sling. For more how-tos and recipes, go to atkkids.com. And for this recipe on these brownies, you need this in your life. Goodbye. Always don't forget to like and subscribe.
You can just dance away with the brownies if you want to play the brownies. Yeah. Works for me. I love it. Yeah. So whenever you're ready.
Awesome.